Right now we're heading to China Walls. You already know what it is right now. It's close to sunset, about 5:30, and I'm here with my friend Devin. We got the beers. And guys, we're at China Walls like always, here on the east side. The most beautiful fucking sunset you ever witnessed, guys. And like I said many times in many of my vlogs, you will never regret coming to fucking China Walls, guys. So let's get it. Have a few drinks there, and I'm watching an amazing freaking sunset, guys.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.